Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1056 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this BELLAPIERRE Banana Setting Powder. So the difference between a regular setting powder and a banana setting powder is basically it just has a yellow tint to it, which can be good for color correcting, it can be brightening. So this here retails for $35 on the BELLAPIERRE website, which seems pretty expensive to me. I must have gotten this in like an ipsy or BoxyCharm, maybe add-on points redemption at one point. So it is a loose powder. It doesn't seem like the little cap here comes off, but there is the little opening here. So I did already go ahead and I put on my BB cream. I'm wearing the Purely's BB cream, but I haven't put on my concealer yet. So I want to go ahead and apply my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer freshly to my under eyes so that I can try setting it with this powder. I'm also, for the fun of it, I'm going to try baking one of my under eyes with the powder. So just blending out the concealer. This concealer is such great coverage, so brightening on its own, but it'll be interesting to see how that yellow banana color looks with it and if it keeps the brightness. So I'm going to tap off some of the powder into the lid here. And for the eye that I'm going to bake, I'm just going to dip that sponge into the powder and make sure there's no creasing, and then I'm going to layer up the powder. I definitely get that yellowy banana color, which hopefully will work for my skin tone. I feel like I'm applying so much, but for baking, you need that kind of thick layer. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that bake, but you definitely can see a yellow color. So now on the other under eye, I'm just going to apply like a thin layer of the powder, just kind of like the way I would for setting. But that is much too yellow. Like that took away the brightness from the concealer, and now it's kind of left with like a darker under eye circle. It's very yellow. Oh gosh. Too yellow for my under eyes, but I am curious how it looks on the rest of my face if I were to just use this to set my makeup. So now I'm picking up a fluffy brush and let's just dust it around. I'm gonna just apply it to half of my face so that we can compare the difference in color and texture. So I would say with that light layer, it doesn't really leave too much of a noticeable yellow color, but if I'm really looking up close and being picky, it leaves a yellow hue, like a slightly yellow tint that you can see. But the texture of the powder seems fine. I don't know. I think this is just not going to work for me. Like I have it's more of a pressed powder, but it's a banana powder from Essence, which I really like because that's more of like a bright white or like a lighter yellow shade. So that's actually really good for the under eyes and super brightening. But this is just too dark of a yellow shade because I don't want to have like a visible like yellow cast coming off of my face, and that's what I have. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe away this baking. And yeah, you can see it leaves behind a definite yellow color. I mean, the texture of this is pretty nice. There's no creasing at all, but it's just, I'm never gonna be able to use this. It does not look good at all because of that color. Oh, I just honestly don't even see how I can really make this work for me because it just looks so funny having that yellow tint. Oh well, this product for me is a failure, not something I'll continue using. But if you've tried this, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I've seen some really high ratings on this, so some people love it. If you love it, let me know your favorite uses for it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.